Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another round of phonics. This is day 3 for you. We're looking at the soft C again. And remember, boys and girls, the soft C is when the C has the S sound in CE, CI, and CY. So every time the C is teamed up with an E, I, or Y, it's going to say, what's it going to say? What's it going to say? Yes, like our snake friend. All right. I just realized that I wasn't in gallery view. I'm going to get so much problems from you guys. But we're going to keep going. All right, let's take a look at line 1. Okay, boys and girls, remember we're using our skills to go ahead and blend as much as we can in our heads. Okay, so we're going to go syllable by syllable and then whole word. Ready? Teachers, thumbs up to your chest when you're ready. All right, let's get started. Ready? Blending. 3, 2, 1. Census. Very good. Central. Very good. There's a schwa there. Forward. Central. Very good. Center. Beautiful. Next one. 3, 2, 1. Scent. Wow. That didn't trick you at all. Reread for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Census. Central. Center. And scent. And teachers, when you find something that you notice in there, please go ahead, thumb to your chest. Students, go ahead and hit the pause button if you need that extra time. And Ms. Hernandez, can you start us off? I know, Ms. T, I'm so sorry, I saw you first, but.
Yes, I noticed that they all have the C-E-N sounded sen in the first syllable.
Yes, we have the C-E-N, and this marker is like, ah. Here we go. C-E-N here, C-E-N here, C-E-N here, and C-E-N here. Anything else that you may have noticed? No? Any review patterns that you see in any of the words? Miss T.
Oh, I see an ER sound in center.
Yes, the ER there. Very good. Let's go ahead and jump to line 2. Ready? Syllable blend. 3, 2, 1. Cipher. Cipher. Very good. Cyborg. Cyborg. Ready? Here we go. Cycler. Being very tricky. That's CL, right? Here we go. Cyclone. Cyclone. Okay, let's reread those words for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Cipher. Cyborg. Cycler. And cyclone. And teachers, thumb to your chest when you notice something. Boys and girls, you can hit that pause button to have extra time. Miss T, go ahead. What did you notice?
I hear the sigh sound spelled C-Y.
Yes. Anything extra that you noticed, teachers? Yes, Ms. Hernandez, what else did you notice?
I see that 2 of the words have the spelled E-R.
Very good. So we have the in the first one, ER, and in the third one, ER. Anything else? Another R control value maybe? Ms. Yakimowicz?
I noticed that each of the words has 2 syllables.
Yes, 2 syllable counts. And then cyborg. Oh, yes, Ms. T.
I was going to say the same thing, the OR sound in cyborg.
Yes, which we already studied. So we see the OR here. And remember, that's also an R control vowel because the vowel here is O, right? Let's go ahead and now jump over to line 3. We only have 3 words here, so we should be fine. Here we go. Syllable blend. 3, 2, 1. Civil. Very good. Civic. Civvy. We read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Civil. Civic. Civvy.
What did you notice, teachers? And remember, students, you can hit the pause button if you need extra time to realize you're noticing. Ms. Yakimowicz, what did you notice?
I noticed that each of the words has the CIV, which makes the sieve sound.
Yes, we have CIV. And I thought you were going to go ahead and say CIVI. I'm so glad you didn't get tricked because that's only present on the first two words. Let's now jump over to our sentence, boys and girls. Our sentence here is pretty long, but it has a lot of high frequency words, so it should help you out. All right, remember, we're not looking thumb to your chest. Teachers, what we're doing is being word detectives, and we're trying our best to find words that have the CE, CI, or CY in it. When you're ready, teachers, go ahead and show me. Fingers up. Wow, is that an air high five, you guys? All right, let's go ahead and start with Ms. Hernandez. Ms. Hernandez, what is the first word you notice that has one of the patterns?
I see it in Marcy.
Marcy, very good. Marcy has our what spelling?
CY.
Y. Very good. Ms. T?
Cyborg.
Cyborg, right? And what pattern did you notice there?
CY.
CY. Ms. Yakimowicz, what did you notice?
Sense.
And what pattern does that have?
CE.
CE. And Ms. Hernandez, back to you.
Cyclone.
And what pattern does that have?
The CY.
The CY. Back to Ms. T.
Center.
Center. And what spelling pattern?
CE.
CE. Very good. All right. So boys and girls, you heard the teachers. You were probably right there with them too, that you figured that you at least noticed 4, but there are 5 words in there. Teachers, go ahead and model for them so that they know what is expected of them of these words. What's this word?
Marcy.
Marcy.
Cyborg.
Cyborg.
Sense.
Center.
Cyclone.
And
Center.
center.
Center. So we have sense in there, we have center in here. Being mindful, boys and girls, that the rest of them are filler words with the exception of this one. And if you remember, Ms. Hernandez pointed this out a while back. When you see those 2 same consonants, that's where the syllable split is. So just be mindful as you're reading. Boys and girls, ready? Teachers, when you're ready, 3, 2, 1.
Marcy had a cyborg collect sense for the Cyclone Center.
All right, Miss Yakimowicz, if you don't mind, can you reread that for us for fluidity?
Marcy had a cyborg collect sense for the Cyclone Center.
And Miss T, can you go ahead and read that with scooping action?
Marcy had a cyborg collect sense for the Cyclone Center.
Beautiful. And Miss Hernandez, is it decoding time?
No, it's encoding time.
What? It's encoding time, boys and girls. That means you need to grab those markers, pens, pencils, whatever you may need. Teachers, when you're ready, remember to show me thumb to your chest. Boys and girls, if you do not need the scaffold, it's okay to go ahead and follow along as I dictate back to you. All right, teachers, I saw your thumb to your chest. We're going to go ahead and get started. All right, wait a minute. Did I do the right one? No. And that's okay. Give me 1 second. I knew it was going to be easier than that. What? This one's easier. Yes. All right, people, let's take a look at that first column. And you'll notice that I went ahead and helped you out with those long vowels, A blanky and I blanky. First word, ready? Easy word. Here we go. The word is race. What's the word? Race. Race. Teacher, show me when you're ready. Yes, you are correct. CE spelling. Next word. And just FYI for my kids out there, it's CE all the way, just so that helps you. All right, next word is mice. What's the word? Mice. Ice. Ice. Mice, show me. Beautiful. Mice is more than one mouse. And next word is place. What's the word? Place. P-O-A-C-E. P-O-A-C-E. Show me, teachers. Beautiful job. Keep it up. Next word. The word is slice. What's the word? Slice. S-O-I-C-E. Slice. Show me. Wonderful job. Wonderful job. Let's jump over here. Next word on the line. The word is center. What's the word? Center. We saw this earlier. Center. Center. Show me, teachers. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. Thank you. Next one. Okay. Ready? Saw this word earlier too. The word is census. What's the word? Census. Sen. Sus. Census. Show me, teachers. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. Keep it up. Okay, changing to that Y. You know what that is. Here we go. The word is Cyclops. What's the word? Cyclops. Cyclops. Show me. Beautiful. Keep it up. Last word on this set. The word is cyclone. What's the word? Cyclone. Clone. Cyclone. Show me. Excellent work. Excellent work. Down to the wire here. Boys and girls, remember, take this time to go ahead and hit pause if you need to write down the scaffolds. If you don't need the scaffolds, just follow along with the teachers. Here we go. Teachers, thumb to your chest. Oh, yep, we're ready to go. All right. Weird, not so weird. I take it back. Different names here. The name here is Clemency. What's the name? Clemency. Clemency. So remember to capitalize. Clem, e. Ooh, did I forget a letter there? E. Clemency. Show me, teachers, just to double check this word. Clemency. Beautiful. Thank you. Teachers showed you how that worked. All right. We're going to keep going. And Tracy. What's the word? Tracy. It's a name, so don't forget to capitalize. T-R-A-C-E. T-R-A-C-E. Had a. The word is race. What's the word? Race. Race. Race with their. The word is pet. What's the word? Pet. 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 And the last word here is mice. The word is mice again. Ice. Ice. Mice. So again, Clemency and Tracy had a race with their pet mice. All right, teachers, show me when you're ready. Beautiful job. Yay! Pat yourselves on the back. Awesome job, boys and girls. I know that you're trying. Thank you so much for doing the best that you can, given the circumstances. All right, so we're out of here. Keep doing a good job, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.